As we come to the other thicket, where we have the toppies, we turn to left a little bit. And there is a third one. You see, and there is another one like two on the other thicket.
No, I'm just concentrating on this one right now.
Yeah, he's coming right at us.
Let us try to look for those ones.
Oh yeah, here he comes.
Mm-hmm. He's going to come right by us.
Okay.
Oh wait, let's see what he.
Oh, there's two of them.
Yeah, let's see what they do.
Yeah, I want to get a good headshot. Trouble is he's
Can you look
diverting
at the other thicket?
Yeah, yeah.
Can
Yeah.
you see those ones coming?
Yeah.
Yep.
And there is a baby behind the other big one coming.
Is this that
Oh,
same group,
there
I
is.
guess, that those guys saw the other day?
Yes, yes. Can you see the baby? It's going deep in the thicket.
I missed it.
Just stay there.
So the bigger ones are going out to hunt.
Yes. For these ones,
I mean, I'm getting a good picture. You must
we
be getting
say
great pictures.
the hyenas do not hunt. Really, the hyenas do not hunt. They just take advantage
Right.
for the weak, for the sick, and the leftovers for the other animals, kill like the lions. But they are the animals with the strongest jaw and teeth.
I
The
guess that's
hyenas
what
are?
yeah,
Yes.
that's what I meant. They're going out to forage and maybe bring
Yeah.
some dinner home for the cows.
Yeah, they hunt, they kill, but they don't kill for themselves. And remember, Mark, we have the
Hold on there, buddy.
permanent vulture still.
They're pretty habituated. They don't seem to be...
You have the permanent vulture?
I can't get it from here. The lighting's wrong.
Yes, it's there.
Yeah, they don't seem to care about our truck.
No. Well, someone had said to me once that if you're in the truck, they just see the truck as something of another animal, and the smell or like a rock.
I'll take your word for it. I didn't know they were spotted.
No, I didn't really realize they had those spots either. I wonder if they're different kind of species, so to speak. Comes another one galloping. Hey, wait for me, buddy. This one's late to the
They
party,
have
but
a
he's
tail on
catching
that
up.
side.
They're more attractive than I thought.
Oh, yeah, right.
He almost looks a little injured or lame, doesn't he?
Yeah.
Well, that's excellent.